see leaves like that?
Where?
I don't know.
Huh. Not really. Alright, now, smile. I'm going to take a couple pictures.
Look at this crap.
Here, look at me and smile. I'll take a couple pictures. You want to take some pictures?
No, I do not.
Why not?
The pictures have always, throughout the entirety of my life, annoyed me.
Alright, ready? What do you mean the pictures annoy you? You gotta smile. Say cheese. Say cheese or something. What do you want to say? Alright, ready? 1, 2, 3. One more. 1, 2, 3. Good job. Alright, good job.
Ooh, yellow mold.
Right. Little boy blue on his camping adventure. Come on, one more picture. One more picture, you jumping on an alligator's back. You see one yet?
Hey, wait, there's a dock over there.
Alright. That'll be good. And we can take a couple pictures on the dock, right? Alright. Good time. That'll be fun. You'll like that. I love that kid.